Here's our North American desert biome by Trevyn and Colby Meads.
This is our abiotic factors. Some interesting facts are soil gets really hot so animals go underneath the ground, and rain sometimes evaporates before hitting the ground.
Now here's our biome map. In North America, are the North American desert biome where the deserts are located. And the right is the key of the deserts, which are Great Basin, Mojave, Sonoran, and Chinchuran. Here is our food web of North American desert biome. On the top is our hawk, which is a tertiary consumer, which means that that it does not have any natural predator. And at the bottom we have our main producer that gives all life to everything. Here is our most common animal, which is the roadrunner. Some interesting facts is the roadrunner, once it starts eating its prey, it may take several hours, and they will work together to take down one big snake.
Here are 5 consumers. First we have our horned toad, white-winged dove. Over here is our bark scorpion. Down below is the rattlesnake, and over in the corner is the pinnacate beetle. Over here is our horned toad. Our horned toad has some pretty weird facts. The horned toad has one of the most unique defenses for its predators. Its defense is puffing up to twice their size in a big balloon shape.
Here we have our rattlesnake. The rattlesnake are able to detect objects 40 feet away, and they're also born poisonous, so I don't suggest touching those. Here we have our white-winged dove. It is said that the white-winged dove lives in the Chinchuran Desert and also northern part of Mexico. You will not find them in any other deserts besides those two.
Here's our pinnacate beetle. Pinnacate beetle is also known as the stink beetle. It is a genus of darking beetles endemic to the Sonoran Desert.
Here we have our bark scorpion. The bark scorpion has hairs on their legs and other parts that are sensitive to the vibrations in the air. And also, to avoid creatures in extreme heat, they will go under rocks and other things to avoid daylight, which is the heavy heat.
Here's our most common plant, the saguaro cactus. People that usually have them in our houses usually overwater them. That's why they die so quickly.
Here are our 5 producers. Our 5 producers are the sagebrush, the smoke tree, yucca, saltbrush, and the Joshua tree.
Here's our sagebrush. The seeds were used for food by the Native Americans.
Here we have our smoke tree. The smoke tree can do well in all kinds of soils, if it is drained well.
Here's our Joshua tree. Joshua tree is a yucca, but it's much taller and highly branched.
Now, here is also our saltbrush. Some interesting facts are that the saltbrush is actually related to the tumbleweed, or Russian thistle.
Here's our yucca. There are 40 to 50 species of the yucca. They are sword-shaped they have sword-shaped leaves and they're really tough.
Here is our endangered species of the peninsular pronghorn. The peninsular pronghorn, aka ghosts of the desert, is called that because of their coloration of their skin allows them to blend in with the surrounding terrain.
This is our bibliography.